the peaceful atmosphere of what was expected to be a private countryside celebration suddenly transformed into one of the most discussed royal moments of the weekend. Guests had gathered expecting a warm family occasion, cameras were quietly positioned outside the venue, and royal watchers assumed this would be another elegant but low-key appearance from members of the royal family. But within moments, everything changed. As unexpected faces began arriving, attention shifted instantly away from the wedding itself and toward a much larger conversation, quietly building behind the scenes. People who had initially tuned in for a simple family event suddenly found themselves asking a completely different question. Was this merely a routine appearance by familiar royal faces, or had something much more significant just unfolded in plain sight? Because according to many observers, this wasn't simply about who attended. It was about timing, visibility, and the hidden message some believed was being sent. Princess Beatrice and Princess Eugenie arrived alongside their husbands. Cameras immediately began following every movement. Within minutes, photographs started spreading online, and discussions exploded among royal followers. For months, conversations surrounding different branches of the royal family had continued quietly in newspapers, television segments, and online forums. Questions about roles, responsibilities, public appearances, and the future structure of the monarchy had repeatedly surfaced. That is precisely why this appearance attracted immediate attention. It wasn't because the sisters had attended a family event. Royal family members attend important occasions regularly. The real reason people started paying attention was because of how quickly the focus shifted toward them. Analysts, commentators, and viewers suddenly found themselves examining expressions, interactions, and positioning, attempting to understand whether there was a larger significance hidden beneath what initially looked like a normal family gathering. Meanwhile, attention surrounding the event intensified even further when Prince William and Princess Catherine arrived. Suddenly, what had started as a family celebration appeared far more significant to royal observers. Public appearances involving senior royals are often examined carefully, and every interaction frequently becomes part of a larger discussion. Within minutes, social media users were already comparing photographs and sharing their own interpretations. Some believed the gathering represented family unity, while others argued that people were reading too deeply into an ordinary event. But regardless of opinion, one reality became impossible to ignore. Public interest had completely shifted. The wedding itself no longer appeared to be the central topic. Instead, people had become focused on the individuals standing together in those photographs and what those images might represent during a period when discussions surrounding the monarchy continue evolving. What makes situations like this especially fascinating is that modern royal appearances rarely exist in isolation. Every public event becomes part of a broader narrative, whether intentionally or unintentionally. A smile can become a headline, a conversation can become a topic of national discussion. Even standing beside a particular family member can trigger endless speculation across social media platforms. That level of attention creates enormous pressure, particularly during moments where family relationships and institutional responsibilities become subjects of public curiosity. For viewers watching from around the world, the gathering may have looked simple and elegant. But for people who closely follow royal developments, this became another chapter in an ongoing conversation about the monarchy's future direction and how different members of the family fit into that picture. But perhaps the most interesting part of this entire situation wasn't the arrival itself. It was what happened afterward. As images continued spreading online, discussions rapidly expanded beyond the wedding venue and into a much wider debate surrounding public roles and royal visibility. Questions started appearing everywhere. What role might certain members of the family play moving forward? How will future generations reshape the monarchy? And perhaps most importantly, how does the institution balance tradition with changing public expectations? Suddenly, what had begun as a simple appearance at a family wedding evolved into something much larger. Because sometimes in royal history, the biggest conversations do not begin during major ceremonies or official announcements. Sometimes they begin in moments nobody expected. And what happened next only made those questions even louder. As online discussions continued gaining momentum, royal commentators began pointing toward a larger issue that extends far beyond a single wedding appearance. Over recent years, the structure of the monarchy has gone through noticeable changes. Public expectations have evolved, responsibilities have shifted, and conversations surrounding the future direction of the institution have become increasingly common. For decades, the royal family operated within traditions that remained largely unchanged. But today's environment is very different. Every appearance now unfolds in a world dominated by instant reactions, social media discussions, and non-stop public scrutiny. That means even ordinary family gatherings can unexpectedly become global talking points. And as photographs from the wedding continued spreading across television screens and online platforms, many observers started wondering whether moments like these reveal something much larger, quietly taking shape beneath the surface. And for Princess Beatrice and Princess Eugenie specifically, public attention has always followed a unique path. Although they remain recognizable members of the royal family, their public positions differ significantly from those of senior working royals. Over time, discussions about titles, responsibilities, and visibility have repeatedly placed them under a spotlight they never entirely sought themselves. This creates an unusual balancing act. On one side exists family identity and royal heritage. On the other side exists personal life, careers, and independence outside official duties. That reality often creates endless public curiosity because people naturally wonder where certain members fit within the institution moving forward. And when high profile appearances suddenly bring different branches of the family together, questions surrounding those roles immediately begin resurfacing once again. Meanwhile, analysts paying close attention to the images notice something else entirely. Rather than focusing only on who attended, many people became interested in what these gatherings reveal about relationships within the wider family structure itself. Family events have often served as rare moments where multiple generations and different branches of the monarchy appear together publicly. These occasions can provide brief but fascinating glimpses into dynamics that the public rarely sees. Of course, photographs capture only isolated moments, and isolated moments do not tell complete stories. Yet, despite that reality, public fascination remains powerful. A single interaction lasting only seconds can generate days of headlines, online debates, and endless theories. And that growing attention around this particular event was beginning to reach an entirely different level. What makes royal stories uniquely fascinating is that people rarely focus only on what is happening in front of them. Instead, they constantly search for meaning hidden beneath the surface. They examine body language. They analyze expressions. They compare appearances from months or even years earlier. In many ways, public interest surrounding the royal family has become almost like observing a puzzle, where people believe every detail contains a deeper message waiting to be discovered. Whether those assumptions ultimately prove accurate or not, the level of attention itself remains extraordinary. And as viewers continued revisiting footage and photographs from the wedding, many found themselves returning to one central question repeatedly. Was this simply another family moment being overanalyzed? Or had people genuinely witnessed a subtle signal about the monarchy's evolving future? But while conversations surrounding appearances continued dominating headlines, another reality quietly emerged behind the excitement. The monarchy itself is entering a period where long-term questions are becoming increasingly difficult to avoid. Future leadership, public expectations, generational change, and institutional modernization have all become important topics discussed across the United Kingdom and beyond. Suddenly, the wedding no longer represented only a celebration between two people beginning a new chapter together. Instead, for many observers, it had become symbolic of something much broader. Because sometimes history moves through dramatic announcements and major public events, but other times, the biggest conversations begin during moments that initially appear ordinary. And what people started noticing next would only add even more intrigue to an already growing discussion. As discussions surrounding the wedding continued spreading, many people began focusing on a reality that often remains hidden beneath royal headlines. Behind the elegant clothing, carefully planned appearances, and historic traditions exists a family living under a level of public attention very few people could imagine. Every appearance becomes a conversation. Every decision becomes analysis. And every moment, no matter how small, can suddenly become a worldwide topic within hours. That level of visibility creates extraordinary pressure, particularly during periods when public expectations continue changing. For younger generations within the royal family, navigating that environment may be more challenging than ever before. Unlike previous eras, today's royals are growing up in a world where millions of opinions can instantly appear online. And that reality has transformed the meaning of public life itself. Conversations surrounding the future of the monarchy continue becoming increasingly important. Questions that once remained limited to royal experts are now openly discussed among ordinary viewers around the world. How should the monarchy evolve? What role should non-working family members play? How can centuries of tradition remain relevant in a rapidly changing society? These questions have repeatedly surfaced during recent years and continue shaping public debate. Events like this wedding often become interesting because they briefly place multiple parts of the institution into a single frame. Suddenly, people are not only looking at individuals, they are looking at what those individuals might represent. And in many ways, that wider conversation may be exactly why public interest surrounding this appearance became so intense. What surprised people most was how quickly attention moved beyond the event itself. What began as a celebration rapidly transformed into a larger discussion about visibility, family identity, and the future direction of the institution. Across social media platforms, countless opinions emerged. Some viewers saw warmth and family unity, others believed people were reading too much into ordinary interactions. But regardless of differing interpretations, one thing became increasingly clear. Public fascination with the royal family remains extraordinarily powerful. People continue searching for signs, signals, and meaning, even in the smallest moments. That fascination has existed for generations, and despite enormous changes in society, it shows no signs of disappearing anytime soon. In history, repeatedly shows that some of the biggest conversations surrounding the monarchy often begin in surprisingly quiet ways. Major headlines do not always emerge from coronations, state events, or official announcements. Sometimes they begin with a photograph, sometimes they begin with an unexpected appearance, and sometimes they begin during moments that initially seem completely ordinary. Looking back, many significant turning points within royal history only appeared meaningful after time had passed. At the moment itself, very few people recognize their importance. That is why gatherings like these continue attracting such extraordinary attention. People are not simply observing what is happening today, they are also wondering whether they might be witnessing the early signs of something larger developing over time. And as the conversation surrounding this appearance continues evolving, one reality remains impossible to ignore. The monarchy stands at an important moment in its modern journey. New generations are growing older, public expectations continue changing, and the institution itself faces questions that previous generations never experienced in quite the same way. Whether this wedding appearance ultimately becomes remembered as a simple family gathering or as a symbolic moment within a much larger story remains impossible to know right now. But perhaps that uncertainty is exactly why people remain so fascinated. Because sometimes, the most powerful stories are not the ones where every answer is immediately clear. Sometimes the most fascinating stories are the ones that leave everyone asking what happens next.